This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to build a circle house in Minecraft. Forget those boring square builds, we're diving into the world of curves. Creating a circular structure might seem tricky at first, but with a few simple steps, you'll be crafting impressive round homes in no time. We'll cover everything from planning your perfect circle to adding those final, personalized touches. Get ready to transform your blocky world with some smooth, circular architecture. First, let's plan your circular base. Decide on your desired diameter. A 16-block or 20-block width works well for a spacious home. Mark your center point, then use a circle generator online or a simple template to guide your initial layout. Lay down your first layer of blocks, perhaps using a contrasting material like cobblestone to clearly define the circular footprint. This foundation is crucial for maintaining your shape as you build upwards, ensuring a perfectly round structure. Now let's construct the walls and roof. Carefully build your walls upwards, following the circular outline you established. Each layer should maintain the curve, creating a smooth, rounded exterior. You might vary the wall height slightly for added visual interest, perhaps making it 8 or 10 blocks tall. For the roof, consider a conical or domed design. Start from the center and gradually step blocks inwards, creating a beautiful, organic-looking cover that perfectly complements your circular home. Finally, it's time for the interior and exterior details. Add windows and doors to your circular walls, breaking up the solid surface and letting in light. Inside, furnish your new home with all the essentials: a cozy bed, crafting tables, and chests. Don't forget to decorate with paintings and plants to make it truly yours. Outside, incorporate some landscaping with trees, flowers, and pathways to blend your unique circular house seamlessly into its Minecraft environment. Enjoy your one-of-a-kind creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.